Page 19. Welcome, Isra. What's your name? She left?
Yeah.
My goodness, maybe she see the math teacher and she left.
Because I have my book. Maybe it's
okay.
next week.
She will see me in the other class. No, maybe it's disconnected. I'm just joking, guys. How about Noor? What happened to your mic? Is it fixed or not yet?
Not yet, miss. I don't think she did.
Noor. Anyways, she need a good engineer. Anyways, yeah. So look at this, add integers. Girls, if you understand this lesson, honestly, you will have fun doing it. But if you don't understand, you will regret. So please focus. All right. These are the few things they have explained. 2 plus 0. What it gives you? It gives you plus 2. Now, even before I have told you this, I will just give you a small idea here. Remember this circle. I will just, can you see a big circle here? Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Now, there are 2 best friends and both of them have positive attitudes. Both of them, they have positive attitude. Even imagine like your best friend and you have both same understanding. You both are helpful. You both are very good, positive attitude. Always friends with same nature or with same, I can say, positive sign will last longer, and it will always give me positive. What will it give me? Positive result. You know, maybe 10 years or 12 years or maybe lifelong, they will be friends. Now, there is one friend who has a positive attitude and she makes friends with some other girl who is having a negative attitude. Maybe negative means she always fights. She doesn't understand her. Their thinking, their mentality is different. If she likes, yeah, she doesn't cooperate. Okay. So do you think the friendship will last longer? No, it will not last longer. It will be negative. Again, now here, if the first friend is negative and the second one is positive, same thing. It will not last longer. It will be negative. Again, come back. Last one. If both are negative, like example, one sits and say, oh, she's this thing, she's that. Even the other one is negative. Yes, they can last longer because both of them love to gossip or love to fight or love, so they can join hands and trouble the whole world. Their friendship will be lasting longer. So what do you see, girls, in this circle? You see that when you have same sign, you get a positive result. Even if it's negative, you get a positive result. But if they're opposite sign, you get a negative result. Is this part clear to everyone? Whoever, all of you, because this is the most important thing what you will learn now. Is this clear?
No, miss, can you repeat?
Again, if you see some positive signs, both same sign, remember the word same. If you see same sign, your answer always you have to plus it. You have to add, or I can say plus, okay? You know the meaning of adding, right? Or plus, that is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Added.
Okay, add or plus. When you see one opposite sign means one negative and one positive. You always need to minus it. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Same sign, you need to plus it. And if you see opposite sign, you have to minus. Now, I'll give you some examples here. Look at the example here. Just a second. I'll give you some example here. Plus 5 Girls, this today class, what I'm introducing now, is very important. Plus 5, and then I write here, minus 7. Or plus 5 or minus 2. Okay, let me go with a smaller number. Plus 5 and minus 2. Now, Zishan. Zishan? Hello, Zishan, are you there? Sleeping? Hello? Hello, Zishan. Maybe Zishan's mic is also not working like Noor now. I'm okay. Miral?
Yes, miss.
Okay, Zishan, welcome, Zishan. Very good to hear you. Where were you?
I was there.
Did you ask me and go somewhere? Why, Zishan? Hello. Anyways, it's okay. It's okay. You all are grown up. Now come back here. Minus 5, plus 5 and minus 2. Tell me whether they are opposite sign or same sign.
Opposite sign?
Opposite sign.
Opposite.
What did I teach you? When it is opposite sign, you need to minus it or plus it? Opposite sign. What do you need?
Minus.
Minus. Remember, Zishan, if I see opposite signs, I need to minus it. Plus 5 and minus 2. What is the answer if you minus plus 5 and minus 2? What is the answer? Simple. 5 minus 2. How much you give you?
3.
3. Your answer is 3. Now, what about the sign? What should I put here? You will always, remember this word, you will always put the sign of the bigger number. Remember this, girls. This is the rule. Never forget in your life. When I'm doing integers, I will always put the sign of the bigger number. Now, what is the bigger number here? 5 or 5 or 2?
5.
Yes, Zishan, what is the sign of the bigger number? Is it plus 5 or minus 5?
5.
Is it plus 5 or minus 5? The sign.
Plus 5.
So I need to, what is the rule? Always put the sign of the bigger number. So my answer is actually, wait a minute. My answer is not just 3. My answer is plus 3. My answer is plus 3. Understood? Now same question, Judy. I will write minus 5 and plus 2. Minus 5 and plus 2. Of course, these are opposite sign, but what do I do? What do I need to do? Do I need to minus it or plus it? Yes, Judy? Opposite sign. Do I need to minus it or plus?
Minus.
Minus. I minus it. 5 minus 2, it's 3. But what is the rule I told you? Always remember that you will put the sign of the big, I'm writing it, girls. I'm not just saying you, because you need to keep this in your mind. You need to put the sign of the bigger number. What is the bigger number here? Okay, I wrote here that I got 3. But what 3? What is the bigger number? 5. Is it
5.
5 or plus 5?
Minus.
So I'll
plus.
put the sign of the bigger number. I got minus 3.
Yes.
Majdaleen,
Yes.
you understood, Majdaleen?
Yeah.
Because I don't think so today I will make you write something. I want you all to be perfect in this. Majdaleen, a question for you.
Okay.
A question for you. Come on. It is 16 or plus 15 minus 12. What's the answer? Tell me. Majdaleen.
Yes.
First step, you see whether they're same sign or opposite sign. Tell me, what is it? Same sign or opposite sign?
Opposite.
Opposite sign. Okay. If opposite sign, what are you doing? Will you minus or plus?
Minus.
Minus it. What is your answer?
3.
Very good. Plus 3 or
Minus 3.
minus 3? Why, Mashtaleen?
Because it equals minus.
No. You.
Oh, okay, wait, no. We put plus because the bigger number here.
Excellent. Excellent. Got it? Now, next thing.
Yeah, I got it.
Next thing. One more I will give you. Wait a minute. Tell me the answer. Come on. Tell me the answer.
Minus 17.
Minus 17. Excellent. This is what is the main. Now see here, this question. Do you see here this question? 2. What did they give you? They gave you here, 1 second. 2 plus, they gave you 2, 1 minute. 2 plus, and then they wrote here minus 4. Simple, girls. Don't panic. When you see plus and minus, that means it is minus. 2 minus 4. This is your question. Because plus and minus will give you plus and minus. What will it give you? Plus and minus. Minus or plus? Plus and minus. What do you have to do? Yes, Majdaleen. And it is written plus and minus.
Yeah.
To minus it or you need to plus it? Girls.
Plus and minus.
Plus and minus. What did I teach you? Plus and minus is equal to?
Oh, okay, opposite sign. Because there is space here, I'm confused.
Opposite sign. You need to minus it. I wrote minus here. Got my point? Plus and minus gives me minus. What is the answer?
Minus. 2.
Is it only 2? It's wrong answer.
Plus 2.
Sign of the bigger value. What is the sign of 4?
I mean minus.
Yes. Be very careful, girls. Very, very careful. Understood?
Yes.
Now see one question. That's 2 minus 3. What is your answer here? It's given like this. See, it's given like this. 2 plus minus 3. What is it? Is actually minus. Plus minus 3 means you have to minus it. 2 minus 3 is 1, or 3 minus 2 is 1. But sign of the bigger value. What is the bigger number here?
3.
Minus. Is this my answer?
3.
Please stop me if you don't understand. Now I'll call out your names one by one. Judy, I know that you got it. Zishan.
Oh, miss, every time Allah understood.
Yes, Zishan?
I understood, miss.
You understood?
Wallah.
Good, good. Dana,
Yes.
did you understand? What? Or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes. When I say it means yes for me.
Actually, you know, our languages, they differ. If I say or whom, it differs in other languages. So better we just say yes or no, okay? Here. Noor, can you just message me, please? Great, here, Noor. Great. Miral, you're not talking to me, my dear. I don't know you at all. I want you to introduce yourself, if you can, or else later, because I will see you again in the science class. Okay, Judy got it, I'm sure, because she solved it me. Majdaleen solved it me. Next, Azishan and Dana and Noor. You will solve with me later, okay? Now I will erase and let us. Okay, one more question for you. Minus 8. Okay, Dana, minus 8 and minus, if I write here, plus minus 9. Come on, tell me. It becomes minus 8, and because this is plus and minus, it becomes minus 9, right? It becomes like this. Because minus 8 I will copy, plus and minus, this is minus and 9. Now both are same sign, Dana. What am I going to do? Am I going to add or subtract? Both same sign. What am I going to do? Am I going to plus or minus?
Plus.
Very good. 9 plus 8, what do you get?
9 plus 8.
Hmm? Addition. Dana, what happened? It's simple plus. Come on, open your fingers.
Miss 16.
Ro- Come on. I cannot see you. I want to see.
17.
Yes. What is the sign? Sign of the bigger value. What is the sign you will put here?
Plus.
Sign of the bigger number. What bigger number here? 9 or 8?
9.
What is the sign next to 9? Before 9, what is the sign?
Minus.
Yes, you will put the sign of the bigger number. Okay?
Okay.
Girls, today class is just explanation because if you don't understand it properly, it's no use that we start our lesson or we start solving questions. This is something what you need to know before we start our lesson. This is something what we will do in addition, in subtraction of integers and everything. Okay? All right.
Okay.
Come on. I think I need to enough of explanation and I need to start with my. So will you remember positive, positive, positive. Positive, negative will give me negative. Negative and positive will give me negative again. Negative and negative, positive. So what is my main thing? First, check whether I need to minus or plus. Second thing, I will minus or plus it and then put the value of the bigger number. Okay? Now, coming to my next part. That is my next page. Let us check the next page. Come on, come to page number 20. Dana, the question for you especially, Dana recorded a temperature drop of 2 degrees.
Miss, why me?
Because Dana is here. Dana recorded. You can read the question. This question is for you are the DNA of the class. Yes.
Oh, it was me.
So happy to see your name in the book.
Fine. Danny recorded a temperature drop of 2 and a second temperature drop of 3. What is the total change in temperature?
When we say drop, when you say drop, what does that mean? Drop
Um,
it has to be negative. It has to be
negative.
negative. Drop of 2, that is minus 2. Then you have drop of 3, that is minus 3. So minus 2 plus minus 3 will give you, because both are negative. Am I correct? Both are?
Negative.
And both are negative. It's actually, see, it's actually this way. Don't get confused. It's actually this way. This way. Minus 2 plus and minus becomes minus, and this is 3. This is this way. So both are negative. Minus 2, minus 3. So what do you have to do, girls? You need to plus or minus? Yes, Dana? When both are negative, both negative friends, they will have a good friendship.
Positive.
You need to plus it. I plus it and I get 3 plus 2, 5. And sign of the bigger number. What is the sign? Minus 3. Minus. Now stop me if you did not get or did not understand. The sign
Miss,
of
I'm kind of getting it, you miss.
what you are trying to?
No, I am kind of getting it.
Kind of. Why, my dear? Simple thing. Drop of 2, minus 2. Drop of 3, minus 3. See both numbers, they both are negative. When both are negative, I told you same sign, you will plus. I plus 3 plus 2, 5. I got 5. Then what is my next step? I put the value of the bigger number. I put minus 5. That's it. The sign of the sum is negative. The total change in temperature is minus. Why the sign of the sum is negative? Because of the value. The total change in temperature, the answer is minus 5. I hope everyone understood. Stop me if you don't understand, girls. I am ready to explain you 10 or 20 times. but I don't want you to say later on. It's very tough. Did you write this on page 20? On page 20, did you write this?
Yes.
No, miss. Miss, wait.
Yes.
Hmm?
Miss, do I write convince me, the part that's down?
No need for writing all that. All right. Now, next. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Minus. Girls, let me ask one. Zisha, I'm sorry, Noor, I just saw your messages. You can proceed. Yeah. Zishan, there is first question for you. Minus 66 plus 42. Come on, do it and tell me. Minus 66 plus 42. How will you do it? First tell me you are minus or you are doing plus. Yes, Zishan? This is 66 and this is 42. What I'm going to do?
Yes.
What am I going to do? Minus 66 plus 42. Am I going to plus or minus?
Minus.
Who's saying?
Me.
Disha? Good. If I minus it, 6 minus 2, what do I get? 4. And 6 minus 4, I get 2. So what's your answer?
40.
What's your answer, Zisha?
24.
20.
Minus.
Yes, if
Minus
it's 24, that's wrong. It's minus 24. Why did you put minus here, Zishan?
So you took on the bigger number.
Excellent. Alhamdulillah. I feel satisfied now. Now these are excellent, correct answer. Now, do you see that try it in the last? Do you see try it?
Yes. I don't.
This is the first one you have solved. Second one, what's your name? Majdaleen. Majdaleen,
Yes.
minus 57 plus 57. What? Minus 57 plus 57. What's gonna give me?
Mine is 0.
It just says 0 because it doesn't have any negative or positive value, okay?
Okay.
Now next. Who did not get chance? Judy answered. Everyone answered. Dana answered. Who did not get chance today? Noor, are you there? Okay, who's that? The new girl, please can you at least chat or at least say me hello while... Okay, I think I need to give this question to Judy. Judy, come on. 29 plus, as they say, minus 28. Come on. First of all, you just try to write 29 plus and minus 28. So what's your answer?
-1.
Okay, wait. Dana, is this correct? Dana? Dana,
Yeah.
is this correct? -1?
Hmm.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay, Majdaleen?
Yes.
Is this correct? -1.
No.
What it has to be? Good, Noor. Very good. What it has to be? It has to be +1. Jude, because
Oh.
sign of the bigger number. What is bigger number? 29 or 28?
29.
What is next to 29? Positive. Don't see after 29. See. Okay, Jude? Okay, Judy.
Oh, okay.
Judy, yes.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Right. I think almost we have done for the whole class today. We have finished this try it, and tomorrow we are going to do the other one. Just 1 minute left. Okay, good. So tomorrow we are going to continue our class. I mean, sorry, for science class, you will see me at, okay? Thank you so much.